Roho ya uoga inaletaga mawazo.
The spirit of fear brings thoughts
ambayo hayakuwaki.
That are never existing in you.
Lakini inakuletea.
But it will bring.
Hauoni ukuu wa Mungu.
You don't see the greatness of God.
Lakini unaona ubaya.
But you are seeing all the negative.
Paul anamwambia mwanae.
And Paul tells the son.
Anamwambia sikiliza.
Tells him, listen to me.
Mungu.
God
hakutupa moyo wa uoga.
did not give us the spirit of fear.
Ametupatia moyo wa ujasiri.
But he has given us the spirit of power.
Kimtumikia Mungu.
When you serve God,
haina haja uwe na uoga.
You don't need to have fear.
Tunapambana wote.
We are all struggling and fighting.
Uliitwa nikaitwa.
You are called, I was called.
Ninamtumikia Mungu, unamtumikia Mungu.
I am serving God, you are serving God.
And
therefore, you will not hinder me.
Kukaa tu hapa.
For me just to stay in one position.
Kunizuilia.
To keep me off. You will not stop me.
Lazima niende mbele.
I have to continue to press on.
Bwana asifiwe.
Praise the Lord Jesus.